Hello guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our weather analysis. This is for today, Tuesday until Thursday, July 16 to 18, 2024. This is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, one of the best institutions here in Naga City and also across the Bicol region. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Negacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Tuesday until tomorrow, Wednesday. We have a monsoon trough still active after a tropical depression which made landfall over Vietnam and it's now dissipated. And we have here still the active monsoon trough across the West Philippine Sea. And below that line, we have the monsoon, the southwest monsoon, affecting the Calayan Island group. And across the central portions of the Philippine Islands, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Bicol region, Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao will be under the influence of the monsoon trough. Okay, so we expect here to have localized thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. And we have low pressure area 91W struggling to organize. But as of this time, it's still quite disorganized as it moves towards eastern Visayas and the Bicol region. So it has a lower chance, or 35%, or less than 35%, or less than 35% of becoming a tropical depression. And the monsoon trough will continue to affect the western Micronesia, Palau, Yap, and all the way up to the area of the intertropical convergence zone. So majority of the computer models are now forecasting it to just be a low pressure area traversing Visayas, Bicol region, and the southernmost parts of Luzon. So expect rainfall, thunderstorms to persist through Friday. So tomorrow, Thursday until Friday, we expect this kind of weather condition. So let's hope that this won't do any surprise intensification, but so far the rest of the computer models are not keen in developing this LPA. And if we take a look at the fast animation from the University, and as we take a look at the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, here's now the weak LPA somewhere here. Okay, as it continues to move towards the northwest in the general direction of eastern Visayas and the southern portion of the Bicol region. And we expect this to pass over this area over Samar and Southern Bicol sometime Thursday. And on Friday, it will be in the vicinity of Mindoro as it moves out into the West Philippine Sea. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation, this is beginning around 4 p.m. this afternoon. You can see a wide swath of the country being affected by these localized thunderstorms due to the monsoon trough and the low pressure area located here to the east of Surigao. And as the evening progresses, there are still some thunderstorms occurring over portions of eastern Visayas, as well as over the western sections of southern Luzon. Okay, you can clearly see here. And if we take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days, so tomorrow afternoon we expect another round of thunderstorms across Visayas, Luzon, Mindoro, including parts of Palawan and also Bicol region. Because of the approach of this LPA, the LPA is somewhere here by tomorrow afternoon, and on Thursday afternoon, that LPA will start to traverse Samar Provinces. So again, we expect more rainfall to occur across the same area, okay, from Central Luzon, Southern Luzon, Bicol region, Mimacopa, and the Visayas. So watch out for possible flooding whenever we have a severe thunderstorm that could generate 50 to 100 millimeters of rainfall. And on Friday afternoon, that LPA will now move into the Bundok Peninsula area. Most likely, it will also bring heavy rainfall across the Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Central Luzon, Mindoro, Romblon, and the western sections of Panay. There will be a slight southwesterly wind flow because of the enhancement of this LPA. And on Saturday afternoon, that LPA will now move out into the West Philippine Sea, and it will be absorbed into another system forming here to the west of Ilocos. So again, please take all necessary precautions. Don't forget to bring your umbrella and rain gear for the next 3 days, as we expect more rainfall will be expected across Visayas, Bicol, and Mindanao. It will be more frequent over northern Cebu, later southern Samar, based on this 3-day accumulated rainfall from the European model, as well as Metro Manila, parts of Central Luzon, 50 to 100 millimeters over the Bicol region, more than 100 millimeters across Leyte, and also northern parts of Sulu Archipelago, while over Panay, Negros, and Cebu, Bohol included, around 50 to 100 millimeters. These are rainfall of up to 3 days. Okay, so when we compute that, it's not much, but it may cause some flooding in low-lying areas. And we have here another rainfall event because of the southwest monsoon over the West Philippine Sea. And for the wind forecast, so that's the European model. Tomorrow, Wednesday afternoon, it will be approaching the coastal waters of eastern Samar. Thursday morning, it will make landfall over eastern Samar, and in the afternoon, it will be over northern Samar as a low pressure area, but it may also become an active one, but not yet to become a tropical depression. But we are going to observe this. Although all the computer models suggest that this may not become a tropical depression. And on Thursday evening, the LPA will now move towards Masbate and the southern parts of Bicol region. And on Friday afternoon, it will be in the vicinity of Bundok Peninsula in southern Quezon, and in the evening of Friday, it will be over the area of Calabarzon. So that's from the European model. While if we take a look at the American model, it looks like a very similar trajectory. Okay, Thursday it will move over to the east coast of Samar, and Thursday evening make landfall over northern Samar. Friday morning it will be over Masbate area, and Friday afternoon it might be over the northern part of Mindoro. So if we take a look at the track of this LPA, here's the European model passing here. Okay, while the American model is somewhere here. So very close with each other. Again, this is only a low pressure area, but if there's some surprise development, we will keep you updated on that one. But we expect more rainfall within the next 3 days. Okay, and if we take a look at the latest wave forecast, today until Friday, we expect the wave heights to be just right. This is around 1 to 2 meters across the East Philippine Sea, light to moderate. while over the inland waters of the Philippine Sea, it will be around 1 meter or less. Okay, and also here over the West Philippine Sea, it will be around 1 to 1.5 meters in wave height, and it's slightly dangerous to small sea crafts because of this monsoon trough, the southwest monsoon, and the LPA 91W. So please take all necessary precautions. And that ends our update for today, Tuesday, and we will return this coming Thursday. If there's no surprise development of that LPA, we will return on Thursday. But if it develops within the next 24 hours, we'll be issuing a special coverage of that one. But so far, so good. It will just bring rainfall. So please take all necessary precautions. Those living over the along the low-lying areas, as well as over mountain slopes, volcanic slopes. Okay, this is Mike Padua saying good day, good night. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.